Hi everyone, welcome back to another video and I hope you all are doing well. I was actually feeling a bit lazy to cook on this day. At first I thought to order food from outside, but thinking how unhealthy it would be and just wasting money due to my laziness. Such thoughts gave me a bit of energy to enter the kitchen and cook whatever I can. The laziness continued till 11:30 am. My kids come home by 2:30 pm. I need to have my lunch by 1 pm. So altogether I had less time. On such days I make something for me first to have my food, but before that I call up my husband if he is coming for lunch, and he wasn't. So I had to only think about my food before 1. My fridge had nothing much, my pantry was a bit empty, so I created some different combos. This happens when I don't schedule my day either the previous day or in the morning at least. But still I tried my best to cook the best with the least ingredients for my family. I prepared onion garlic rice and to have along, made egg roast. This sounds a bit weird, but it tastes good. In fact, you don't need any curry for the rice. The flavor from the fried shallots and garlic enhances the aroma of the rice. This rice is a very traditional one and it's mine and my husband's favorite from our childhood. And there's another one, I don't think anyone outside Kerala or maybe some within Kerala have had this. Rice with some salt and a drizzle of coconut oil. This is my most favorite of all. And for this, you don't need any curry, pickle, a papad or a fried egg is more than enough. Anyways, for the egg roast, I fried some curry leaves first in the hot coconut oil, added 2 or 3 green chili slit, then goes in 2 medium onions sliced, saute till it's soft and translucent. When the onion is soft, add 1 large tomato that's chopped. Add some salt. Let it cook on low-medium flame. I'm one of the lazy people who hates to make chapati. So the easy version is wheat dosa. I take 2 spoons of whole wheat flour, adding some salt and mixing it with some water to make a batter. Crushing black peppercorns adds a good taste. To the onion, I added some garam masala powder and turmeric powder. I didn't add any red chili powder as I had added green chilies earlier. Let the raw smell of the spices leave and then goes in the egg. Give slits to the egg before adding. On very low heat, let this cook for a minute or 2. Time for preparing my wheat dosa. The healthy dressing I had shown in my previous video that was over. Need to make another batch soon so that I could drizzle a teaspoon of it on my salad. Had some leftover crab curry from yesterday's dinner, so took some in a bowl to have it along. And that's my lunch. Now, when I'm on a healthy journey to lose weight, I know the quantity of food I need to eat, and I eat only what's on the plate. Will not add any more. When we are not on a diet, there's possibilities of overeating while watching TV. I don't prefer watching TV while having food otherwise, especially with my whole family. So here I'm managing my time for some entertainment during lunchtime. I did mention about multitasking mothers in my previous video, and thanks for the inbuilt stove with 4 burners in my kitchen for a busy mother like me, like anyone else. Sometimes I feel we need more than 24 hours a day as we don't get rest. And it's a fact. We are drained out by the end of the day or by bedtime, and all we need is peace of mind. So do you ever feel that it's time that we don't have? In fact, it's all about managing your schedule. You need to prepare yourself each day to make it more productive and be active. Let me make it a bit more clear for you to understand. Take a week's time and we have 168 hours a week. Imagine you have 3 buckets with you. We are dividing 168 hours equally into these 3 buckets. So each bucket having 56 hours. Let's look at the sleep a person needs. On an average, one person needs 8 hours sleep. You might be sleeping less or more, but let's take an average on the whole. So 1 week's sleep for 8 hours per day completes the first bucket of 56 hours. So this goes for sleep. Now let's take an average for work as well. You work 8 hours in a day. We are talking about average, so in a day it becomes 56 hours, filling up the second bucket with work. You won't be working every day for 8 hours because you do have weekends, but let's assume the work bucket is filled with 8 hours per day for the whole week. Now leaving aside your work and sleep, you still have 56 hours left. And on everyday basis, you spend time for your house chores like cooking, cleaning, taking shower and some more. So keeping aside some hours for that. Even then, you will have approximately 40 hours left for yourself to do what you love to do. So where are these 40 hours going for you? You can use that 40 hours more or less of your time productively. To be honest, I have been getting a lot of emails or comments regarding how I manage my time for my hobbies, house chores, or YouTube works. You want to make your time productive. You feel you are not able to manage your schedule well. You think after doing everything in a day, you are drained out with no energy left. This in fact can hinder your good quality sleep as well. That's what we are providing free of cost in our next English 360 batch. So join our English 360 course and you get a time management course for free. Here you will be provided with productivity hacks, tips on how to get well organized in every aspect, tips to wake up early, scheduling your day out and such. Now if you're new to my channel or if you don't know what English 360 is all about, it's a spoken English course that I had launched 2 months back and 2 batches are running successfully. Let me give you a brief description here. We have 2 levels at English 360. Level 1 is for the complete beginners who are looking forward to reach the intermediate level at the shortest time possible. We have 6 live group classes overall. There's 20 teacher-led self-paced online sessions. Worksheets and practice materials will be provided. You will have Q&A sessions with the experts. Daily 30-minute self-paced practice sessions with customized routine. Now in level 2, the structure is similar to level 1 but content will be different. Here you learn it in a more advanced level, as this course is for anyone who wants to advance their communication in English and be more professional in their communication, especially in their business or at work. Now you can choose which level you are based on some assignments we provide you. Either you can choose yourself or else we can help you decide which level you fit in. One challenge our students faced was finding hard to manage their time to learn English. When we try to get their feedback, they say they have no time now, they want to join later, or they have no time to learn English. These are in fact reasons or excuses when you don't know how to manage your schedule well. So that's why we specifically introduce this here. Do contact on the number you see on the screen. Have even put the link in the description box. Admissions are open. We'll be starting our batch by the end of this month. The main reason for not getting time is our laziness. We tend to sit idle and later hurry. Then we say we have no time. It's always better to finish off your work first, be it house chores or other, rather than leaving it pending. I always say do what you love to do, but I also need to do what I have to do. If at all you have the resources to keep someone to help you, do that to make yourself productive in other ways. Anyways, getting back to the onion garlic rice. I heated some ghee and fried the shallots and garlic till it's light brown in shade. Then added few green chilies and grated coconut. Mix for a minute and then gently mix in the rice. Add salt as per your need. Mix well. Cover and keep on very low flame for 2 minutes so that the flavor is enhanced inside the pot. By this time, kids are back from school. They got fresh and I served them their lunch. Me and my neighbor friend went for walking as she also has enrolled for the transformation. We spent there for an hour and then returned. I was badly craving for rice dumplings, which I used to cook often earlier. It's been a while and I prepared it as soon as I came back home after walking. Had I been lazily sitting after walking, I will not be able to eat what I love to eat. You get a different kind of energy. So if there's a will, there is a way. For 2 cups of rice flour, boil 2 plus a quarter cup more of water, adding some salt. Cook the flour till it's well combined. To add extra taste to the dumplings or the rice balls, if that's the exact term for it, crush 1.5 cup grated coconut with 3 green chilies, few curry leaves, 3 shallots, half teaspoon fennel seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds. It's been ages ever since I used my stand mixer. It's the avoidance of maida that has kept me not to use the stand mixer. I will be using this more during Ramadan, and that's when we cook rice rotis. This is really an energy saver for the hands because the kneading will be done in the best way by the stand mixer. Add the dough and the crushed coconut mix. Knead well till it's soft. If you don't have a stand mixer, knead while dipping your hands in filtered water in between. Now spread some oil in your palm and make tiny balls from the dough. For each ball you make, press gently to flatten it a bit. Add this to a steamer. Place this on boiling water. Cook on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Usually I make the rice dumplings with gravies of either chicken, lamb or rarely prawns. Today, making with squid. I have been eating since childhood. Even my kids love squid. Heat some coconut oil and fry some curry leaves. Then add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Once it turns to a light brown shade, add few shallots sliced around 2 tablespoons and 1 medium onion sliced. Saute well. Now add 1 small tomato chopped along with a slit green chili. Add some salt and let the tomato cook till soft. In goes 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well till the raw smell goes. Keep on low flame. Now add half kilo squid and mix. Add around 1 cup hot water and mix. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add a handful coriander leaves that's chopped. Finally goes in thick coconut milk around 1 cup. I have used powdered coconut milk here mixed with water. If you are using fresh coconut milk, add at the end, or else when it boils it will curdle. Finally goes in the rice balls. Make sure you add the rice balls once it has cooled down a bit. Do not add straight after steaming it. It will break and be mushy. Mix gently. Cook on low flame for a minute. Let this sit as such for half an hour to get it well combined. It was time for my dinner and nobody in the house wanted dinner at that time. Moreover, they know the dish tastes better later. I work out at night, so I make sure I eat at least 45 minutes before that. As soon as I finish my workouts, I prepare the turmeric milk I have every day. To half cup milk, I add half cup water or else it will be really thick and I can't tolerate that. Adding a pinch of turmeric powder, dry ginger powder and nutmeg. While that's boiling, I wash the dishes that was remaining in the sink. So this is how I manage my time. Later I get fresh, have the milk and get a good night's sleep. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, do take the chance of getting a free time management course with English 360 and schedule your day well and use your time productively. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.